Welcome to AP Forex Trading. It's 22nd of February 2021, 11:07 p.m. Indian time. We're looking at GBPUSD daily chart. We can see that we have a bullish candle today, and as we have said yesterday, we're still expecting bullish, but also expecting the market to come down to this level or to this level. So the market on the first half came to this level and then created a support zone here. If you go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that the support was created on the 200 EMA in the 15-minute chart, and the market went up straight up to here. And if we have also said that there was a support resistance zone around this level, which if broken we'll try to buy, but this was the fake breakout. We waited for the market to go up and then retest, come down and retest, and then we'll try to make any buy entries, but market just straight comes down straight. This was a fake breakout, and then market went down straight to this level, this first level which we have mentioned yesterday, and then find some support here and then went straight above the 200 EMA, and then again find some support here and then went straight up to this level 1.40816 currently. And we have got some trades around here. We have got a sell trade around here, a buy trade around here, and buy trade around here. So we are still expecting bull move mainly for the price to reach this weekly level. And you can also see the monthly chart. The price is trying to reach this level actually, and we're expecting more bullish movement, but we can see that in the daily chart we haven't seen any daily pullbacks. So be careful. And I'm also expecting a pullback in the 4-hour or in the 1-hour chart, because the market has moved up so much, and I think it needs a breather. It needs to breathe a little bit. It needs to slow down a little bit to gather the energy to push forward more. So for tomorrow's plan, I'll be holding, because I think the market would come down to these moving averages and then hold a bit, and then if it tries to go up, then we'll try to set up some buy entries. Other than that, for sell entries, same basics. Below the 200 moving average, we're going to sell until the price is keeping up these moving averages. We'll try to buy on the entries like this. Price came down, then went up. Price came down and then went up. So we are going to like this one. Price came down and went up. Price came down around here, then went up. So these are the buying structures I look for while buying GBP USD. So tomorrow, for the first half, I'll be waiting for the price to come down and then go up. And if the price comes below the 200 moving averages, then we'll be selling. I'm expecting a pullback, because this has gone straight so far. The price may come down to here, this level, and then may shoot up, or may get a bit deeper then shoot up. So be careful. What we don't know what we should expect from the market tomorrow, because market really needs to breathe a bit to gather some buying powers and then shoot up.